Good morning. This is your math class. Today we will learn a new topic of backward counting. Okay, come with me. This is a cute rabbit. It is very hungry. It sees the carrot. The rabbit goes to take the carrot. It goes front to take the carrot. This is known as moving forward. This is known as moving forward. In numbers, we call it forward counting. When we speak the numbers like 1, 2, 3, it is forward counting. Now, the rabbit takes the carrot and goes back to its home. So, this is known as moving backward. This is known as moving backward. In numbers, we call it as backward counting. Moving forward means going front. Moving backward means coming back. Now, the rabbit is on the ground and on the stair there is a carrot. Rabbit wants to take it. We will count when the rabbit climbed the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rabbit got the carrot. Wow! Now rabbit is upstairs and carrot is downstairs. It wants to eat the carrot. Now we will move backward on the stairs. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Now let's revise the backward counting with the rocket. Now count fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Now you have learned backward counting 10 to 1. Let's do it in notebook. Come with me. Let's start. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. I hope you all have understood backward counting. Now you have to practice these. We will meet again in our next class. Okay, till then, bye bye.